Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a vocabulary practice test. Let's begin. Question 1. Choose the correct answer to replace each underlined part. He had been feeling blue since the death of his grandmother. Which word replaces the phrase feeling blue? The correct option is B. Sad. Question 2. Mrs. Alex did not forget to return the pot to her neighbor. The correct option is A. Remembered. Question 3. This container is already filled. Please get another one for me. The correct option is B. Full. Question 4. When I mix blue with yellow, I get green. The correct option is A. Combine. Question 5. I am really mad that he is doing this to me. The correct option is B. Angry. Question 6. Sarah is very shy. She turns red easily. The correct option is B. Blushes. Question 7. The result of using this new brand of paint is excellent. The correct option is A. Effect. Question 8. The workroom for the artist is already very old. The correct option is A. Studio. Question 9. The coloring material used for this building is of very high quality. The correct option is B. Paint. Question 10. The printed statement on the wall for the event is very clearly written. The correct option is A. Notice. Question 11. Fill in the blank with the correct word. Despite his apology, many people were still dash about his true intentions. The correct option is B. Unsure. Despite his apology, many people were still unsure about his true intentions. Question 12. My brother dashed his shirt black thinking he would look better in it. The correct option is B. Dyed. My brother dyed his shirt black, thinking he would look better in it. Question 13. You must dash the coffee beans first, said mother. The correct option is C. Grind. Question 14. Your clothes will be cleaner if you dash them before you do the washing. The correct option is C. Soak. Your clothes will be cleaner if you soak them before you do the washing. Question 15. Please go to the dash to buy a bouquet for Mrs. Lee. The correct option is C. Florist. Please go to the florist to buy a bouquet for Mrs. Lee. Question 16. Beef and mutton are red meat while fish and chicken are dash meat. The correct option is A. White. Beef and mutton are red meat while fish and chicken are white meat. Question 17. The picture uses many dash of one color. The correct option is A. Shades. The picture uses many shades of one color. Question 18. It is so dash to be able to listen to nice music while eating dinner. The correct option is B. Pleasant. Question 19. A green salad is usually made up of a few types of dash. The correct option is A. Vegetables. Question 20. He tried to dash his fear during the interview. Write your answer in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.